Hey, welcome back. So you finally decided that you want to automate and scale your business. This video is going to teach you how do you actually now find a top Zapier automation freelancer who can help you do this. So that's what this video is going to teach you how to do. And just a quick side note, this video looks a little bit different because it was actually part of a mini course that I put out a little while back, and I just wanted to share on my channel. So I hope you enjoy it. So in this video, what is really important is, obviously I've been speaking about you need to do a bit of research into what apps are available on Zapier, what you can do, things like that. But also a big thing and a key thing to finding a good freelancer is to simply write a good proposal. It's not only a one-sided thing that you're trying to weed out the good from the bad freelancers. You also need to give them something proper to work with. So this touches on some of the things I've already been speaking about in regards to writing down what services are you using. Don't just make a post saying, I need an automation freelancer or I need to automate my business. It's such a wide thing, and there are so many different CRMs out there, so many different softwares, and they each do different things, even when you're using a software like Zapier. So it really helps to post what you are using in your business so the freelancer themselves can answer saying, I have set up multiple things with this, I know the nuances of this program, I know the nuances of that program. And as a bonus, it's actually going to help you weed out the copy-paste proposal people very quickly, which generally are going to be the lower quality freelancers who aren't going to get the job done. Because if you say specifically, hey, I use this, and that in my business, this is the flow of the things, I need this automated, and they're just saying, hey, I can automate anything for you and I can help you with everything. They probably haven't even read what you're asking, and you're going to get on the call, they're not going to know what's going on. They're going to probably lie to you a couple of ways. It's just not a good start or good start of the relationship. So by saying what you're using, a good freelancer is more than likely going to say, hey, I have worked with this, I have worked with that, I actually haven't worked with this, but I'm confident I can learn what's necessary. Or they'll do a bit of their own research and see what's possible. That's the approach I take when I look at jobs coming up. Okay, I don't know this platform, let me go see what you can do with it in Zapier, do a bit of preliminary research. That's really going to help you improve the quality of the freelancers you're getting in contact with. Even if it's coming via referrals. If you say, hey, it's great to meet you, awesome that John introduced us, here's what I'm using software wise, and these are how they connect together at the moment, or this is how I imagine they might connect together. That was a quick one, but really important is you need to also put in the work to make it easier for the good freelancers to find you.